Breaking news, Yankees fans! The New York Yankees have just signed ace pitcher Max Fried to a historic contract. That's right, an 8-year deal worth $218 million, making it the most lucrative contract ever given to a left-handed pitcher. This comes after the Yankees missed out on Juan Soto, but they're making a big splash with Fried. Fried, with a career ERA of 3.07 and a 2.81 ERA since 2020, is set to be the co-ace alongside Garrett Cole. With this signing, the Yankees are solidifying one of the best rotations in baseball. What do you think about this move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For more updates, visit 99 News Today. Stay tuned.